Hi everyone! So I got invited to try J.One's products, and obviously because I've been seeing so many rave reviews about them, I had to say yes. While I did get these products for free, this is not a paid review at all. I was just asked to review the products by 3 weeks, so this is my honest opinion. So as of filming, because of the 3 weeks deadline, I've only tried the products for 2.5 weeks. So I'll try to review them as best as I can, and hopefully I can edit this in time for the deadline. Yeah. The products I tried were the J.One Hana Cream, the Jelly Pack, and the Chic Mask. So to get an idea of my current skincare routine, I have a video of my skincare routine up before. I'll link it above and below so you can check out what my skincare routine is like. As for my skin is a combination skin. It's very oily. At the same time, because I have Sjogren's, it's an autoimmune that dehydrates me like crazy. So my skin is dehydrated from within, which is why my moisture game is like a 50-year-old woman's, because my skin needs a lot of moisture even though it's so oily. I'm also very acne prone, and because I am 29, I'm also aging. I'm starting to develop fine lines and stuff, so that's my skin. Now the first thing I did before reviewing the products is, of course, I checked out what ingredients they have, and J.One does contain a lot of amazing ingredients. So let me just highlight some of the ingredients they have. I'm not even highlighting everything because there's just so many good ingredients. Of course, I also checked there's no bad ingredients either, nothing that makes me worried or go like, whoa, should that be in there? So yeah, I'll just highlight some of the ingredients I like, because if I go through every single ingredient, this video is gonna be so long and I'm gonna bore you to death. So I'll just highlight the good ones. The jelly pack contains niacinamide, which is one of my favorite ingredients ever because it really helps aging skin. It really improves uneven skin tone, reduces large pores, helps smooth out fine lines, make your skin look less dull. So it's like a really amazing anti-aging ingredient that I've been using for a while and I really love, so I'm glad this contains that. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which is another ingredient I love and I always use. It's a primary ingredient in Hada Labo, and hyaluronic acid just hydrates you like crazy. So it's a really good ingredient to have if you have dry skin. And the great thing about hyaluronic acid is it really hydrates you from within without making you feel oily. It also has ingredients like rose water and rosemary leaf water, which they are both antioxidants, and rosemary leaf water is also an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. So if you're having a lot of breakout, it will really help calm down the breakout and maybe even reduce the acne caused by bacteria. There is also white water lily extract, which I haven't heard of before I encountered this product actually, so I researched on it and it sounds quite intriguing. I love it. Supposedly it's nourishing, moisturizing, and makes your skin look younger. It smooths out fine lines, help reduce the appearance of scars, soothes irritation, redness. So yeah, it really sounds like a great ingredient, and I can't believe I just found out about it recently. There's also sea daffodil extract, which is also supposed to be great for anti-aging. So yeah, this has a lot of good ingredients. Now, there's 2 ingredients that did make me stop, but it's not because they're bad, it's because I'm sensitive to ingredients in these categories. The 2 ingredients are the black tea ferment and adenosine. Both of them are ferments, and ferments notoriously break me out. I've tried this amazing CC cream before that unfortunately contains adenosine and it broke me out. But so far, I'm not sure if I'm purging or breaking out, which is why I'm continuing with this. I'm going to wait. I think last time I used to stop by 3 weeks, but supposedly ferments will make your skin even better after the purge, and purging lasts about 1 month. So I'm thinking I'll probably continue for another 2 weeks just to see if my breakout goes away, and hopefully my skin does end up better. So first, let me show you what breakout I'm talking about. So yeah, my skin is looking really terrible. I have all these little bumps on my forehead and my cheeks that appeared since using this. I also had 3 deep cystic acne pop out since I'm using this. So yeah, it looks really scary, but again, I'm not sure if I'm purging or breaking out. And I'm not blaming the products, it's me because I am sensitive to ferments. This is something I'm familiar with. The ferments that have broken me out so far have been galactomyces, adenosine, which this product contains, and yeast extract. So I know these ingredients break me out, and I was prepared for that when I went into this. But this time I thought, you know what, because this product contains so many good ingredients, especially ingredients that soothe breakouts, I thought I might as well continue using it for 1 month and see if my skin is purging or breaking out. Why am I putting myself through this? That's because ferments have a lot of amazing anti-aging benefits. SK2, their primary ingredient, is a galactomyces, which is a ferment that I'm also sensitive to, and it breaks me out. So ferments really boost collagen production. It will keep you looking young. Boosting collagen production is really important for me because if you look at my Instagram stories, you know I love desserts. Like, love desserts. I eat sweets all the time. I eat way too much sweets. I'm hoping I never end up diabetic. That's really a fate worse than death for me because I really love sweets. And the thing is, sugar breaks down your collagen, and that's why I'm gonna prematurely age. I should give up sugar, but yeah, I can't do that. I'm going to get prematurely cranky, and that's not nice. So I rather prematurely age than prematurely go cranky. So, the Hana Cream. So this product also contains adenosine and niacinamide, which, okay, adenosine, I think most likely it's going to break me out, but could be purging. So it also contains salicylic acid, which is really great for getting rid of breakouts, which is why I was so eager to try this, because I want to see like which one will be stronger, the adenosine or the salicylic acid, because salicylic acid is great for clearing out my breakouts. This product also contains macadamia nut oil, which is very moisturizing. It's an antioxidant. It's also high in monosaturated fats like omega-6 and 9, which helps restore your moisture barrier and help regenerate skin. What's your moisture barrier? So your skin does have a moisture barrier that keeps your face moisturized, and sometimes through over exfoliation or, you know, using too many harsh products, you destroy that moisture barrier. So this is good at restoring it to keep your skin moisturized. It's also high in linoleic acid, which really helps your skin heal, hydrate, and plump it up. This also has sunflower seed oil, which is again high in linoleic acid. It's also high in vitamin E, traps moisture and keeps your skin hydrated, helps keep you young by protecting your collagen and elastin. It's also a source for beta-carotene, which is, you know, converted to vitamin A, and that's great for making your skin look good. This is another great ingredient. It also contains shea butter, which of course very moisturizing. There's chamomile water to soothe irritated skin. There's also vitamin B6, which reduces inflammation. And one ingredient that I've been curious to try because it's one of the rages in K-beauty, and so far I've only tried it in mask form, so this is something I'm super excited about. It's Coenzyme Q10. You'll often see it in products as CoQ10. It's an antioxidant naturally produced by your body, and it's important for, well, cell functioning and development. It naturally decreases aging, penetrates the skin easily, so you can use it topically, and again, great for boosting collagen and elastin, and also a more effective antioxidant than vitamin E. So yeah, super excited about this ingredient. Can't wait to try it. Had to try it, even though I know adenosine is going to break me out. It also contains ceramides, which are so highly moisturizing. I love ceramides. Now the Chic Mask. So the Chic Mask, again, it has adenosine, but also niacinamide, ceramides, hydrolyzed collagen. Oh my god, my skin responds so well to collagen. It just gets so plump and juicy after I use collagen. I love it. White water lily extract again, chamomile water. There's also linseed oil, which reduces inflammation and very moisturizing. And Japanese honeysuckle extract, which is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, detoxifying. So basically, if you're prone to breakouts and have a lot of like angry red acne, this is great at calming that down. There's also caffeine in here, which my aunt swears by it for reducing the puffiness under her eyes, so super excited about this. So far the ingredients sound really amazing, but you know, a product can say it contains the tears of a unicorn harvested once in a blood moon, but if it doesn't do anything, then it doesn't work. So who cares about the great ingredients? Does it work? Okay, so today is the first day I'm trying out the J.One products, and I'm slightly nervous because I do notice that they do contain ferments, and ferments typically break me out, but I'm still stubborn. I still want to give ferments a try, so hopefully this goes well. I'm really excited. So for the first day, I decided to put the J.One cream and jelly pack on just half my face to see if it does improve my makeup performance, because I know that it's been said to improve makeup performance by a lot, so I wanted to give it a try. So I did half face with the J.One jelly pack and Hana Cream, and the other half without. I used my usual skincare routine, well, minus my snail cream and moisturizer, because I feel like it's going to be an overkill with all the products I'm using. And then I just applied my makeup as per usual. Okay, I'm just so excited. I was planning to leave this until the final review, but I'm so excited I have to just make the review right now. So I put on my foundation and concealer, and even though this side is my problematic side with a lot of things to conceal, I immediately noticed that my foundation and concealers stick way more easily to this side, and I'm really impressed. I mean, like, you know, with some blending, eventually I do get an even layer on both sides, the ones with the J.One and the one without. But it's just so much easier to blend and get an even layer on like the one prepped with J.One. So I'm pretty excited. It's, yeah, I'll see how it wears throughout the day. So let's start with the mask. The mask is a two-step mask. The first one is the actual sheet mask, and the second one is the jelly pack. So if you'd like to try a sample of the jelly pack and you don't feel like committing to a full size yet, you could always buy the sheet mask. So they only provided 2 sheet masks for me, so I've only tried it once. So I don't think I really want to comment on how effective it is because I've only tried it once. It's like any other sheet mask. My face feels amazing afterwards. You know, it's a sheet mask. Now the Hana Cream. First, I have to say I really love the presentation. So it comes in these little balls that you can scoop out with the provided spoon, and then you just crush them before applying it all over your face like your regular moisturizer. It's just so satisfying to use because, yeah, I don't know, I'm addicted to those like slime videos where you just like squish stuff, so maybe because of that I find this really satisfying. It's actually my favorite step of my skincare routine right now because I just play with the ball, I roll it around my hand a bit, and like, you know, I just like slowly squish it. I like to imagine the ball screaming like, ah! Okay, maybe that was lame, but you know what? I think it's cool, and yeah, you know, my husband may make fun of me, but I think it's cool, and I'm hoping someone out there also thinks it's really cool, because, you know, just imagine the little ball like, okay, yeah, not cool. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Anyway, so this moisturizer is super duper thick. Really one of the thickest moisturizers I've ever used. It really feels like applying a cuticle cream on your face. It's very thick, very oily, so some people may not like the feel of it. I know the first time I'm like, whoa, this is way heavier than all my moisturizers. It feels so greasy. So the texture is something I'm not too big of a fan of, but you know, it's something I got used to pretty quickly, and for me, it's a minor thing. Even if I don't like the texture, if the results are good, I will go through it. And because my skincare is so extreme, it's to the point where a good skincare item is usually one that doesn't do anything to my face. As in, if I don't see any change, it's good. If I see an improvement, then it's miraculous, because my skincare is really intense. If I test it on my husband, who doesn't really take that good of a care of his skin, he only uses Hada Labo and that's it, I may see more of an improvement, but he really hates the texture of it because it is very greasy. So unfortunately, I can't hold him down and force him to use it every night, but I'm sure if I do, I will see more of a result on him than on me. On me, I am not seeing much of a result, but it's only been 2.5 weeks. And if my breakout clears up and I find out that this product allows me to enjoy the benefits of adenosine without the breakout, then I will freaking use this every day because I really want to use ferments, but ferments just break me out. So I guess looking at all the soothing ingredients in this product, I feel like this is my best chance of using ferments because it's got all the products that will combat my breakouts. As of now, I guess my final review is we'll see. Now the J.One Jelly Pack. It doesn't really improve your foundation wear time, but it does improve how it applies on your skin. So that I'm happy about. The texture of this, it's really sticky. It almost feels like you're stretching cling wrap over your skin. So it's definitely something you have to get used to, and some people may hate it. But again, it's a minor thing for me, so I'm okay with it. And same with the Hana Cream. I'm so far not really seeing a result yet, but I don't think it means the product is bad. I think it means the product is good because out of my skincare routine, what I'm replacing with this is my usual moisturizer. I was using the Vita Cream moisturizer before this, which I like. I think it's a good moisturizer, but again, I'm always in search for something miraculous. So because, you know, it can easily replace the Vita Cream moisturizer, I think it's good. And I was also reducing a bit on my skincare. I'm not using my snail essence daily. I stopped using my snake essence. Yeah, it's actually called snake, synthetic snake. Snake. Yeah. My husband loves the name of it. Like, he can't stop laughing. He's like, this is fantastic. I love it. I definitely face palmed a bit when I realized like what snake was. Anyway, so I stopped using that. Well, I use it every now and then when, you know, I'm bored and I'm like, huh, might as well add an additional thing to my skincare. And I'm not using my Etude House Collagen sleeping pack every day. So that's what I'm replacing with these two. I think I still need the collagen sleeping pack from Etude House. The collagen sleeping pack is just one of those miraculous skincare that just plumps up my face so much. So J.One says you can use this as a sleeping pack, but personally I wouldn't use it as a sleeping pack. I use it as, well, an addition to my sleeping pack, so 2 sleeping packs. I don't know if I feel any dramatic firming because again, I'm using so much product, so I feel like any firming is just very minuscule. And as for like the pore smoothing and so on, I'm already using a lot of pore smoothing products. Like niacinamide is a staple in my routine for a long time. Oh yes, I used to use Hada Labo mixed with niacinamide, and unfortunately I ran out of that. So these two replaces that as well. Yeah, I guess it's just replacing already good products that works in my skin. And you know, my skin did not take a turn for the worse. So I do think these products are good, but again, I've only used it for 2.5 weeks, so I'll definitely have to wait a bit longer. I can attest that this does make my makeup look much, much better. So if this does work and it helps me tolerate ferments, I'd probably buy this forever and use it as a makeup primer. Even though it does feel like putting cling wrap on my skin, the things I do for beauty. So yeah, I think these are great products. Are they miraculous products? I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna wait till my breakout clears up, and I'll probably be posting a tutorial where you can see my bare face in maybe 2-3 weeks. As soon as it's out, I'll link it above and below so you can check out how my face looks, just so you can get an update on the face situation. I'm definitely going to keep using this, and as of now, I'm very optimistic on the results. Will I repurchase? Again, that depends on whether or not my skin clears up. I'm still torn between whether I will repurchase just the jelly pack or both, because again, I do like this, but it's so greasy. I mean, I like playing with it, but putting it on my face, it is kind of greasy. And my Vita Cream moisturizer works just as well, even though it's much lighter. So but this one, I think I definitely repurchase if my breakout clears up. So that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching the entire thing. Please feel free to like, share, or subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See you. Bye.